So in this video, we are taking a look at the standalone safety rail. I wanted to address this because I've seen this in several client homes. In this instance, if you have a toilet that is an appropriate height, this may be a choice for you if you need just something solid to push off from. Now, when you position this, it's going to be pushed back in the middle of the toilet. The bar will rest against the base of the toilet. As you notice, though, the feet on this that run from front to back are going to still stick out in front of the toilet about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So you just need to be aware of that as you exit the bathroom, to be aware of the foot on that side. So let's take a look at how to use this. So as a caregiver instructing someone on how to use the standalone safety rail, if they come into the bathroom either on a walker or not on a walker, they're going to back up to the toilet. You want them to feel the toilet at the back of their legs. They're going to reach back for the safety rail one hand at a time. So you're going to bend and reach back one hand at a time, and then lower yourself to the toilet. When they go to get off the toilet, of course, you want them to scoot forward. So you get your weight forward. You're going to push up with both hands evenly. Get your head forward, push up with your hands, one hand up on the walker, and then the other hand up. So that's how you would give someone verbal cues on how to use the standalone safety rail. Please check out the comment section below for further details.